Okay, we're having technical difficulties here. Hi, my name is Adrian Afon, and I'm going to do a quick review on a used lens that I bought through B&H. I shoot Sony. I have a Sony a7 III, and I've been wanting to get a new lens, and I decided to go with the 24 to 70 millimeter G Master lens 2.8. I was gonna buy it new, but then I didn't see that there was any reason to buy it new, so I decided to buy it used. But I wasn't sure what condition was the safest for me. I was in between a 9 and a 9 Plus, and I had heard different reviews and read different reviews on different conditions and what people received. I didn't find many reviews on a 9 Plus condition lens. So this is my review, so that if anybody was considering buying a 9 Plus condition lens through B&H, this is more or less what you're gonna get. Now I'm gonna open up the box and show you what's inside and show you the details of more or less what the lens looks like. So this is the box I received from B&H with my lens. So what do we got? Some documents, probably the invoice. Yep. And the rest is empty. So here we have it. The 24 to 70 millimeter G Master lens 2.8. Just a disclaimer, I am by no means an expert on lenses and cameras or anything really. I really wanted this lens because it seemed like it suits my needs. That said, I'll get into opening it. Alright, let's see. How do I open this? Bang. Blow. Gotcha. So it's not factory sealed, obviously. There's just a big piece of clear tape on the here on the opening area. Oh, I missed some tape. Oops. That would be wild if I cut myself on camera. Smells good. It smells brand new, to be honest. And when I look inside, it pretty much looks new. So this is what I'm assuming is the case. It's like a little Sony bag where the lens comes, which is pretty nice, and I'm sure the instructions are inside and whatnot. Get that out of the way. You can see the lens that way. So yeah, it's a very nice, clean bag. I would say it's like new, if not brand new. It smells new. Good build, good feel. I'm not doing a review on the actual bag though. I'm just doing a review on what condition the stuff is coming in. So it has this cool little double zipper thing, but really the bag is in good condition. You have a strap for the bag, I'm assuming, which looks like it's in a nice brand new bag. And here it is. What is this? Nothing. It's just a little bit of dust or whatever. Lens looks pretty good. I mean, the room is getting kind of dark, but yeah, it looks pretty much new. Again, a condition 9 Plus. This is what I was hoping, There's like a small little kind of like, not a ding, but where I guess the serial number is, right here. It's like a sticker. It's like a very thick sticker where the serial number goes. It's a little lifted on one of the corners, but that's like nothing. It's definitely not a deal breaker. As far as the outside, there's just a little bit like lint, that's kind of in the crevices of the grip. Otherwise, this looks good. Now, more importantly, how's the glass? Glass looks good. The metal around the whatever this is, the back of the lens, looks good. Like a tiny little tiny little scratches maybe from little use, but nothing like from maybe like a 1 time or 2 times putting it on the lens. On a camera. But otherwise, there's really nothing wrong with this. The glass looks clean on this side, and the metal is pretty much polished. It looks like brand new. Yeah, that looks good. And then let's see. Oh, man. It's on there pretty tight. Or is this what is this? Is it glued on? I gotta start going to the gym. It's on there pretty tight, I don't know. Keep rolling. Okay, we're having technical difficulties here. It's just not like a smooth squeeze and pull out. Like I'm literally squeezing and it's not pulling out. And I'm afraid of twisting it. Goodness. I'm squeezing, it's not coming out. We'll be right back after a commercial break. Alright, finally got it off. So basically what had happened is that the way that whoever put the camera together and packaged it to put it away, put the lid on, or the camera protector, the lens protector, whatever this is called. What is this called? Clip? Gosh, words escape me. Whatever this is. Lens hood?
Adrian, no?
Lens hood? That's my wife, the director. The camera lid. Okay, whatever. Whoever put it on kind of like in a janky way, and it was like half on, and kind of wedged together. No, not a big deal. It was just really jammed in there. So now, very easily it comes off.
So lens cap.
Lens cap. That's my wife. That's why I married her. That's why I pay her the big bucks. Yeah, I mean, sorry. The whole point is to look at the lens. And the glass looks immaculate. Maybe all I need to do is a few little squeezes with the that I don't have, but the glass looks great. It doesn't look at all damaged or anything or scratched. No, just a little dusty on the outside, but that's it. It looks good. And just to add, also what came in the, I'm gonna put this here also, so you can keep looking at it. Keep looking at that G. Also, what came in here was the, I think it's called the lens hood. I think this is the lens hood. I'm not sure what it is, but the thing that covers the sun from sun flaring or whatever. Not the fully round one, but the one that looks like a flower. Oh, I'm such a professional. And that's about it. I think the only other thing in here is like a couple of little booklets and instructions, like, you know, basic stuff that comes from factory. But otherwise, a used condition 9+ lens from B&H is a great buy. I don't know why you would get a 10 unless you want something that has if you're gonna get a 10 and this is basically brand new, I guess you just have extra money, might as well just buy a brand new one. Otherwise, yeah, if you're debating should I get a 9+, is it gonna be in a good condition? It's gonna be in perfect condition and definitely functional. Hope you found this video helpful, and hopefully it also answered some of your questions and maybe took away some of your concerns regarding the condition in which you want to purchase a lens, at least. Again, I would recommend a condition 9+ to anyone because it really is like a brand new lens. If you want to buy a 10, buy a new one, okay? And that's all I got for you guys. Thank you for checking out this video, and hey, you can leave a thumbs up if you want, and you can subscribe. I don't have any other videos, but you can go ahead and do it if you want to. Peace!